हाँ
पक्का सागर.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Hi.
Today we have boys.
Yeah.
Our OG.
After falling down, lot of struggles.
OG fall masters, Sagar Patil, Sainath,
Victim.
Pranav,
No one should follow Sagar.
Suhas bhai. We are going to Ooty. We have how many? 5 bikes. 5 bikes.
5
The
people.
legendary R15, the Fakol Himalayan, 2 Expulse and 1 Triumph.
Oh, nice.
Guys, we are halfway done already.
I'll put.
We have done 150 kilometers, 150 more to do. We'll go.
What da?
Too hot da, we'll go.
Hello re. Now next viewpoint only
We'll
will stop.
see you guys next stop. Enjoy the B-rolls. Guys, we had to stop again because our Arjun from ZNMD here, fucking corporate slave. What all they do for money, I don't know. Fucking wants to attend a meeting in middle of the forest. पैसे के लिए इतना भी नहीं गिरते. But me and my boy here, we are listening to music on earphones and riding peacefully. How is the ride? Experience?
Mr. The Dubai.
Mr. The Dubai. How is the ride experience?
Amazing.
How is the ride experience?
Good.
Good.
Turn off the key.
I know why he's there in the meetings. Look at that girl. That's why he's there in the meeting. You really think he'll stand and go for the meeting? Look at that girl. Look at the photo.
I was saying like how he throws the phone off, fucking throws his laptop and let him from.
Like Moshi Yamamoto-san.
Done, na?
Huh?
Done, na?
Yeah.
We'll go.
One more other work is there.
Hey.
Wait up.
You and your EY
You only told we are not stopping anywhere. Direct
I
Ooty.
know, but we need water bottle, please.
Even I need.
Yeah.
Done, na, sir? We'll go. Or you have to submit any more
My
reports.
dad told before climbing Ghat, just pray to some temple. If we find some temple, we'll pray and go.
Pray to my temple. Come, we'll go. Oh, 1 kilometer, bro. It's just on top. It's on top. That's all. Over, bro. If you go top, you'll reach. Oh, there, no passage. Again, you come back down. No, it's here. See, 1 kilometer. Hey, it will go, bro. Don't break the flow. Huh? Don't break the flow. புரியல. ஓகே சைடில் போகிறேன் ஆண்டி. கோ கோ கோ. My bike is dying over. Hey, if your bike on it come bro. Watch it another road. Another road, okay. Bro, what a level. What a level. Guys, we have reached. This is where we have parked the bikes. This is a bonfire. This is the stay. This is where we are staying. Fucking beautiful. Bikes are parked here. The best part of the house. Yes, if you go here, take the stairs down. Aram se. And voila. There's tea plantation, coffee plantation. Fucking beautiful. Pull. Pull it. Pull off. Nobody's there. Pull off. Pick up the phone. Idiots. Not something to fuck around with. अंदर कुछ नहीं है क्या? सागर अंदर कुछ नहीं है। हाँ तो क्या प्रॉब्लम? शर्म होती है लोड़े। No. You tell sorry. For what? You tell not even there yet. You tell it's okay. Hey, what एक बात? Look at it. Sainath, I won't fucking let you take bath. You can't. Who? Later we'll see. What? You're wasting water. You know, people in South Africa are dying because there's no water. Look at that view, da. Look at that view.
Sagar, look at the view, da.
Hey, Sainath, open the fucker. I swear if I start torturing you, no.
Open the door, da.
Sainath. Call him.
He is here only.
He is calling you.
He can hear you tell.
Come here. I won't let you take bath today. You open door. Sainath. You don't give him ideas. Boom.
Hey, your gloves are not here, huh? Huh? The gloves are not here. See, I'm over. Oh, here.
Sainath, open the door, da. I swear I'll give you cold shower. Fucker, turn off tap. I go take bath and come back.
The next day.
Guys, we have come to Dodda Betta. So when you come to Dodda Betta, from where to not buy stuff?
Not to buy stuff.
Point. There.
Not me, ra.
Hey, don't buy from here. Big time scam. In the name of Vada Pav, they gave one bun and vada.
Sweet bun and tooth vada.
Tooth vada. What the fuck is that? Now we have come to Dodda Betta. We'll show you Dodda Betta. This is Dodda Betta. Dodda Betta. Double Dodda Betta.
I'm taking my
This is a scam. 10 rupees telescopic view. Scam number 2. They gave 10 rupees telescopic view. They told. This is the telescopic view.
Here.
Where is telescope? Okay, boys, what are your reviews on the Dodda Betta?
The only telescope that I could see was down.
Uh,
Other than that, there's nothing to see.
I have better view of this Betta from this Betta than this Betta. It's not worth it. Don't come. Waste of money. Just for the ride, just for the road, you can come.
Yes.
Eat outside and go off.
And one masala dosa, one plain dosa, 40 rupees.
Uh,
Here it is into 2, 80 rupees. Full scam trick, this one is.
Telescopic view, that one. Not telescope only.
6 hours later.
Guys, we have come to boat house.
Hey, this is not boat house.
What are we doing?
Pedal bastard. Come on.
We have paid two people to do. We have paid 2 people to do manual labor.
This is them.
These are our labors.
Driver, straight. Driver, dash them. Hey, where is
Hey, Javed.
Hello. That white fellow.
Javed, aram se.
Go near them. Turn, go.
Go near them.
That fellow came and just pushed out from behind.
I'm telling you, take care and you think why should I take?
Go.
How dare we'll do scene here only.
I will jump off in his boat, see. Shra.
So, why are we going this side?
If you tilt your camera, little bit. No, you're deciding them.
Habibullah.
White color swan you want to catch.
A white color swan we want to catch.
Yes. Just.
Habibullah.
In the white color swan,
swans,
there are many butterflies.
Swans babies are sitting on its back, They take their babies and all.
Naughty party. You want that chickling?
Boys, pedal fast, we have to go.
Oh my god, sir, the storm is coming. What do you see? Jack Sparrow. Island eye.
China's chested are not islander. Full dancing they're doing. Left, right, center now.
Tell him to get diesel. What a day, guys. What a day, guys. Sorry, I didn't record shit after boat house. We went to Emerald Dam, and we had one deadly. Hey, copyright. Okay. We had one deadly ghat section ride in the night. We have footage, no? We'll put the footage. I'll put the footage after this clip of the deadly ride. You guys watch that. Enjoy.
Yeah.
This is the end of the vlog.
Subscribe. That's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Guys, I know I told you I'm ending the vlog.
We are back again.
We are back again.
Part 2.
What is the time?
0008.
It's 12 o'clock, 12:10, and we are going to some dam nearby.
Night time we'll see
Night
them.
time we'll see dam.
With
I don't know what you guys will see.
11 degrees.
Pola.
We'll see you soon.
Shot. I'm a rider. Go wider. Hey, cold down.
Who is cold? Now it is cold. Cold.
just at 2 o'clock in the night. Or no, 12 o'clock in the night.
No, any emergency, how will you take U-turn?
Guys, sorry, this fuckers didn't give you enough content. There's a log fallen over there. So this fuckers, these pussies turned back because gun fatri hai. Hey, supilla. अरे फट गई गान.
What are the roads? Go tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Hey, no, but to be frank. Someone will come and sit up behind. Hey, what are you?
Guys, Sagar ki गांठ फट गई, so we are not going for the dam. Now we'll end the video here. Sagar, end the video.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Put light also.